Saqiniswe ezokuphepha enkantolo yemantshi yasePiet Retief eMpumalanga njengoba abalisa abane bevela enkantolo ngamacala okushaya babulale izelamani zakwaCoka ezimbili epulazini ngolwesihlanu olwedlule. Amaqembu ezombusazwe ehlukene ayabhikisha ngaphandle kwenkantolo athi afuna ubulungiswa njengoba ethi aqali ukubulawa kwabantu abansundu bebulawa abalimi abamhlophe kule ndawo.
We are here as the EFF very angry at the racist white farmers who killed our brothers last week. More especially because it is not for the first time. These are the very same farmers who poisoned cattle for these farm dwellers there. And these are the very same farmers who killed two brothers the previous year. So here in Gersibande, racism is very rife and farm killings by whites or farmers killing black people is very rife.
There's been a number of incidents which have been reported here of racism. And what is also worrisome is that our justice system within Mkondo area is more worrisome, because what is going to happen here, you will see the very same perpetrators going home scotch-free without any justice being proven. So we want to see justice happening. Our call is that the people who are prosecuting here in the magistrate, our call is that we must get neutral people, because if you can trace these cases for the past 20 years, it is clear that they are not objective.